a window view, so if you need to minimize this, definitely do that. I wanted to go over the receipt one with you. There's a couple things. A couple people turned it in and it's not correct. And another thing is it's a lot simpler than what most people think. Basically, when you start out with the receipt one, you can copy and paste all your stuff from, I think this was Lab 3, right? Lab 3.0. You can just copy and paste your existing your existing receipt program, and you just have to add a couple of things to it. Some of you guys are doing your ifs straight into the program, but what the instructions actually called for was you need an actual function that does that for you. It makes things a little bit simpler, and I'll explain to you why. So let's make a function that's going to calculate the discount for us, right? So I'm just going to call it calcDisc. And we're going to hold on to that for a minute. So right here we have subtotal, tax, and total, right? So we need something here that's going to calculate a discount for us. I declare a global discount, right? Because we're doing global variables. And then under here, once I have all this stuff calculated, I can just run, calcDisc. Okay, what that's going to do when I do that is that's going to declare, it's going to actually run this discount, and then my global is going to be created so I can use it anywhere in this program. And then I add the code that generates the discount. Okay, so what I'm going to put here is I've created this global discount, and I'm going to not return, but I'm going to if, right, whatever conditions, then I'm going to set the value of discount to whatever I'm setting it to, right? Just follow the instructions for that. And then I'll do a second if statement, and I'm going to set the discount to 0, right? Then down here, all I have to do is I'm using print lines here, subtotal tax. I can just add another one, print a line, and that discount is now a similar value to the rest of these. It's just a numerical value, right? So I can just put it right in there. Does that make sense? Do we have questions on that? Ask now if you got them. Please